Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm at SMTAi and I'm joined by Linda from iNEMI. Linda, you're new to iNEMI and you're taking care of the road mapping process, if you like. Tell me a little bit about the importance of road mapping and some of the benefits that it can drive for the members.
Oh, sure, yes. Well, thank you firstly for this interview. So as roadmap manager, there's a lot in that road mapping collaboration space. A lot of people think that roadmap is a document, and actually it's a process. And it's designed to bring together the industry community to talk about the critical issues. First for iNEMI, it's with the product attributes, and then how to look at where the technical gaps are, especially for future needs. And so then road mapping typically looks at what those needs may be, what the challenges are to fulfill those needs for future work and forecasting down the road 10 years, what will the industry need, and then finding those solution sets. For iNEMI, they actually have spin-off programs from that. Generally, road mapping may just stay at that strategic level of forecasting. In some cases, you do have implementation projects like iNEMI does.
Yeah. And you have some deep dive road mapping into specific areas. I think Bill mentioned a project on the photonics side. That's important. Broadly with road mapping, what's critical to getting successful roadmap? Obviously, there needs to be some critical mass, but you need a really broad input up and down the value chain, I guess.
It's critical to have the voices in the room that represent the industry sectors. In other words, industry manufacturers and users recognize that a healthy supply chain, a healthy research community, and that input is necessary to have a successful forecast for the future.
Yeah, that's really important. And you talked about the gaps between what's currently available and what's been identified in the roadmap as needed. That gap analysis is a really valuable element for anybody involved in the industry, I guess.
Yes, and it's because the industry is evolving continually. We see things just happening so much faster now with the way that technology progresses, and so understanding on an annual basis what has changed, now what is out there, and where those gaps are to fulfill those needs is extremely important.
Yeah, very, very valuable. And you're just about to start work on the next roadmap. I guess you brought kind of a fresh look to the procedures. Has much changed? How's that looking going forward?
Well, firstly, iNEMI has got a tradition of having a very successful roadmap effort. I believe that as we look down the road and we see how the industry progresses, we'll also bring new tools to the road mapping effort and work continually more efficiently and effectively. And it's just a great opportunity for those that are considering joining the road mapping effort. They do not need to be a member of iNEMI to do this. And that just strengthens the entire base and information that is used to produce the next roadmap.
Linda, thanks very much for stopping by and chatting, and welcome to iNEMI. I hope it's an exciting adventure for you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.